Take your productivity to the next level with EyeSmarty. EyeSmarty is one of the best solutions for employees' productivity monitoring and project management. Supercharge your projects with a robust suite of features. Monitor your employees or team members from anywhere, anytime. You can manage multiple projects. Set milestones for each project and their tasks. Directly communicate with your employees via audio and video calls. And its unique budget tracking feature allows you to allocate and track budget for each project. You can see our pricing plans. If you have employees more than 100, then you have to fill this form. Register to the EyeSmarty by selecting your desired plan. Log in by using your email and password, and after that you have to set up your business. After setting up your business, create designations, and these designations will be assigned to your members. And after designations, create projects. Create members and create teams. Create milestones. Welcome to the EyeSmarty's dashboard. You can see your project details. You can add a project here. And by selecting a project, you can see the milestones against that project. And by selecting a milestone, you can see the details of the created tasks. Teams and customers. Manage designations. Members. You can create and invite a member as well. And from here, you can manage your teams. Manage customers. Provide all the bank details. You can also provide alternative bank details. See the details of time tracked against every project. assure the quality of your tasks. While creating a task, make that task testable for quality assurance. API specifications. EyeSmarty provides 6 different reports to give you a much deeper insight into how your business is operating. You can quickly get your project reports. You can also export that report in Excel. And you can also generate invoices and payslips. View overall time report for members. View members' detailed timesheet. View overall performance or productivity reports of employees. View overall and project-wise budget. So sign up today. and keep an eye on everything with EyeSmarty.